In today's video, we are going to cook stuffed capsicums and eggplants with minced white fish. Stuffed capsicums are the most popular offered in Hong Kong restaurants. But no matter how cheap or luxury the restaurant you go, this dish would possibly be on their menu. And here are the ingredients of our dish for today. This white minced fish is available per pack and it is easy to locate where to buy it. And dito ko siya binibili sa mga tindahan ng mga tofu. My employer loves to eat all vegetables that are stuffed with meat, then cooked in sauce with rich flavor. Indeed, it tastes heavenly. Add oil in fry pan and soak the minced garlic until aromatic. Pour in the sauce over the vegetable stuff and dish up and serve it hot. This dish is so yummy and tasteful. Above all, it is so easy to prepare. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed watching my video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you will be notified on my next cooking vlog. And if you wanted to suggest something, please feel free to comment on the comment section down below. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay wealthy.